Hey guys, I just wanted to take a second and show you what's coming up in the next Sculpt box. It is a tiny BJD. I've been wanting to make one of these for a long time because I think they're just so adorable. I think she's only going to be like maybe 5 or 6 inches. I'm not sure. I'll have to measure and see. But here's her darling little face. I just had the body put together. I'm still making a few little adjustments on it, but I've got her hands and feet finished. So I'm going to have to take this all apart, finish sanding it and blushing the body, and then assemble her together. So she's almost done, but before she becomes a bunch of bits and pieces, I thought I'd show her to you. And pretty soon I'll send over another video that will show you all the different poses and stuff that she can do so you can get the gist of it. But here's her cute little body. That darling. And then her sweet little face. And I'm still kind of trying to decide which hair color to give her, but the great thing about these BJDs is that you can make wigs for them and then have them have a couple different kind of hair looks. So that's one I'm thinking of. I also have this really pretty kind of a honey brown color that I like a lot too. It's just such pretty hair. But I want her to have some pretty long hair in the background too. I'm gonna give her some eyelashes and gloss her lips a little bit as well. But anyway, that's what's coming to you very soon. I'm gonna put it on special tonight for pre-order for today and Sunday, so it won't be quite ready to go out until Monday. So Monday it will be at regular price. So if you want to get a great deal this weekend, now's the time. If you know that you like the Sculpt boxes and you like BJD, that's what's coming up for you. Take care.